2. Hi, I'm Dr. Guan. Here are some facts about me. I'm taking over PSP TikTok to share on mental health. During this COVID-19 crisis, there is so much uncertainty. Some of my former patients are coming back to see me. I'm also seeing new patients with anxiety-related problems. PSP wants to help you understand and improve your mental health. Look out for more tips in the next few videos. Hi, instead of living in the past or living in the future, let's live in the present by practicing mindfulness. Hi, today I will talk about anxiety. Anxiety is tension of the body and the mind. Tension of the body will lead to tightness of chest, difficulty breathing, palpitation, abdominal discomfort, shaky legs and shaky hand, and headache, dizziness, and giddiness. Tension of the mind will lead to obsessive rumination, negative thinking, poor concentration, low mood, which sometimes can even lead to depression. Thank you. Hi, today I'm talking about depression. Depression is about low energy level. In depression, there are 5 clusters of symptoms. Starts with S. Sad mood, low mood, slowing down. Everything slows down and is sluggish. Your movement, your speech, you don't feel like doing anything. Your activities are all halted. Third S is self-blame, negative thoughts and guilt feelings. Fourth S is somatic complaint, bodily complaint, loss of concentration, loss of appetite, loss of sleep, and even loss of libido. The last S is suicidal thoughts and attempts. Thank you. Hi, today I'm talking about mindfulness. Mindfulness is a technique I've been using for a long time to help my patients, and I myself practice mindfulness a lot of times. So what is mindfulness? Mindfulness is focusing on the present in a non-judgmental way, so that you open up your mind to all possibilities. Many options can be considered when you have an open mind. Instead of being trapped, an open mind allows you to free yourself. And that in essence is mindfulness. Look out for more videos on mindfulness. I will be explaining the concept of 5-finger mindfulness. Thank you. What does it mean to live mindfully? To live mindfully, one has to pay attention to the present in a non-judgmental way, so that new ways, new possibilities open up, and then you can have more options, and you can then cope with the stress much better. And the acronym is FOCUS. F is for paying attention to the positive, present, and planning for the future. O is opening up your 5-finger, which denotes opening your mind. C is for calming down through deep and slow breathing. U is being unjudgmental or non-judgmental. And S is about support from various sources. And that in essence is 5-finger mindfulness. Step 1 of the 5-finger mindfulness is about calming down through deep and slow breathing. And it can be done through what we call the 2-in-1 breathing method. 2 in and 1 out. Let me demonstrate. Alternatively, you can breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Let me demonstrate. In this way, you're sending oxygen to your brain and you will be relaxed and calm. Step 2 of the 5-finger mindfulness is about opening of the mind. When the mind is open, there are many ways to look at the problem, solve the problem. So you can have 5 solutions, if not enough, another 5 solutions in multiples of 5. Secondly, when the mind is open, we are mindful of individual differences. Some of us are tall, some short, most of us are average in height. And the 5-finger also denotes imperfection, allows us to embrace imperfection. And in this way, we tolerate individual differences and we also embrace imperfection, as well as having many ways to solve the problem. Step 3 of the 5-finger mindfulness is about focusing on the 3 P's. What are the 3 P's? Positive, present, and planning. So 5-finger mindfulness puts a lot of emphasis on focusing on positive things rather than negative things, and also on the present, because we do not want to be trapped by the past or worry about the future. The 3rd P is about planning for the future. We don't worry about the future, but we plan for the future. So in this step, we talk about feeling positive, we talk about paying attention to the present and planning for the future. Step 4 of the 5-finger mindfulness is about being unjudgmental or non-judgmental. There is a difference between judgmental and critical. When one is judgmental, one is subjective, not factual, and it doesn't help a person to learn and grow. Whereas when one is critical, one is objective, one is factual, one can reflect, learn, and grow. It's okay to be critical, but not okay to be judgmental, especially towards oneself and towards others. Step 5 of the 5-finger mindfulness is to be mindful of the support you can get from people, hobbies, and beliefs. People such as family members, friends, colleagues, and classmates. Hobbies such as yoga, meditation, exercise, sports. And lastly, beliefs in the form of religious, personal, and spiritual beliefs. When you are psychologically troubled and you can't handle, speak to a counselor or see your doctor. Psychological help consists of medication and other methods, which include mindfulness, meditation, hobbies, and support system. When you are in distress, remember there is always help available. And remember the 2 M's, medication and other methods, which include mindfulness. Remember, the rational brain sits on the emotional brain. When the 5 senses are picked up by the emotional brain, we can either react or reflect. When we react, we are said to be swinging down, and we act impulsively or irrationally. When we reflect, we are said to be swinging up, and we can therefore be in control of the situation. Prolonged disconnection leads to mental health problem. Therefore, techniques such as mindfulness, yoga, or meditation can help to connect the 2 parts of the brain. Look out for our videos. Look out for our videos on mindfulness. Okay, warm up ready.